In today's video, we're going to explore how to automate financial bank statement extraction by integrating Kudra API with MAKE and output the final result in Google Sheet. Kudra is a powerful, intelligent document processing platform that helps you extract data from unstructured documents, such as bank statements. By combining Kudra with MAKE, you can create a seamless workflow for automating data extraction from any document. Let's get started. First, we'll open the Kudra platform to create a workflow for table extraction. We can either start with a blank workflow or choose a template. In this instance, we'll pick a blank workflow. Next, we define our import type. In this instance, we would like to extract data from PDFs and images, so we activate both. In the processing step, we'll choose table extraction as our first node. For table summarization, we add the ChatGPT node to create a summary of our bank statement. Let's test our new workflow in the Kudra app to make sure the extraction is done correctly. Now that we have verified the extraction, let's create a new scenario in MAKE. We will use MAKE to call the Kudra API and send the extracted data to Google Sheet directly. Within MAKE, let's create and configure each node. For data import, we are going to use OneDrive to retrieve bank statements. We add an HTTP module to call the Kudra API by specifying the URL of the Kudra endpoint. The API will process the bank statement and extract the data. Iterator. This node will get the data from the API and loop through each cell in the extracted table. Set multiple variable. The cell indices in Kudra starts at 0, so we need increment by 1 to make them compatible with Google Sheet. Finally, we add each cell to Google Sheet by specifying the row and column indices. Now, let's run our workflow. Once we've configured all the nodes, we're ready to trigger the workflow. You can see that the data from the bank statement is being extracted by the Kudra API, and then it's being processed and sent to the Google Sheet. After the bank statement has been processed, we can check our new file in Google Sheet to make sure the extracted data has been parsed correctly. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please send us an email.